Welcome to this quick video on using some of the quick formatting options in Google Sheets. So sometimes we want to change and amend the way that our data is showing. We might want to add decimal places if it's figures, or remove those decimal places. We might want to show figures as percentages, or we want to show them as pounds or dollars and things like that. So there's some really useful quick tools you can use right at the top just to make some changes to the data that's on your screen. So I'm just going to select the cells that I want to look at. I'm going to look at the order amounts. And then if I come up to my toolbar at the top, you can see just to the left of the middle, you've got some options. You've got a format as currency. You've got a format as percent. You've got a decrease decimal places, increase those decimal places, and finally you've got more formats. So you've got 4 formatting options right up there that you can do straight away, and I'm going to increase those decimal places, and you can see how that visibly shows on column G. And also I'm going to format it as a currency, so it does come up as a dollar. If I'm not looking at the dollar, then obviously I'd need to go into the more formatting options and make some changes there. So it's just some quick ways that you can change the format the data within Google Sheets. If I go to more formatting options, you can see I've got other options available there. And if you were using Microsoft Excel, then you'd be needing to right click or go into Format Cells option and play around with the information there, but it's right there and available at the top. You can see I have some options. I have dates and times. You can custom currency, so if I wanted to change it to pounds rather than dollars, I could go in there. And you have loads of other options to quickly access to make changes to the figures on your Google Sheet. So have a go at those. Use them whenever you need to make some quick changes. Please do like and subscribe, and let me know what videos you'd like me to record next.